Are you struggling to convert your Lotus Notes DXL files to Outlook PST? Meet the Regain DXL to PST Converter, a powerful and easy-to-use tool that helps you migrate your DXL emails, contacts, and other mailbox items effortlessly. To download this software, go to Google and search for Regain DXL to PST Converter. Open the first web page. This is the official website of Regain software. Here click on the free download button and as a result, the free trial version of the software will be downloaded on your device. After the download is finished, double-click on the exe file to start the installation. Installation process is too easy. Here in this installation window, simply follow a few on-screen prompts and that's it. The software will be successfully installed on your device. Afterwards, simply right-click on the app icon and run it as administrator. This is the easy-to-use dashboard of the software. Here first you will need to import your DXL files. For that, click on the Open button. Then click on Browse. Choose the DXL file folder, and click on the OK button. Afterwards, click on the Add DXL folder button. As a result, the DXL folder will be imported on this software. You can preview them in the left panel. Now, to convert the DXL file into PST, click on the Export button. In the Save Options field, select Save to PST. This software supports converting your DXL files into other formats too. As per your needs, you can select them. Click on the Browse button and choose a destination for the output file. Then click OK. And finally click on the Save Now button. As a result, the DXL file will be instantly converted into PST and saved on your local directory. One of the advantages of this software is, it supports cloud migration feature. That means you can directly migrate your DXL files to Gmail, Yahoo, Office 365 and many more email clients. So, what are you thinking for? Purchase the software to enjoy all the premium benefits. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.